James Kaufman, World News Report today, December 30th, 2024. God bless you and yours, no matter where you are in the world. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell for critical future updates. Ladies and gentlemen, we have two gentlemen from different parts of the world talking about the strange fog that's been in the air over the last couple of weeks. And I'm going to have to say that I absolutely agree with both of them. We've had the strangest, thickest fog down here in the Gulf Coast of Texas that I ever remember, especially in December, especially with the weather the way it is. I have to actually leave my wipers on to be able to see with all three defrosters on. Now, again, it is happening all over the world from what I've heard. Reports from around the globe are surfacing of mysterious illnesses. Now, I haven't been sick yet, linked to encounters with so-called chemical fogs. Well, there was brown snow up in the Northeast. They told you not to go around it. And there's been heavy fog everywhere, especially the Central Plains. I talked to one of our subscribers there that said they had never seen anything like it, and they have several years under their belt. They describe a thick, lingering blanket of fog that has left people sick, many experiencing sudden cold or flu-like symptoms after only brief exposure. Dubbed fogvid-24, some victims have also reported an unexplained loss of energy. Now we have two videos that cover that. Let's check it out.
Looks like it's conclusive. fogvid-24 is a real thing. The previous video is going viral. If you go and read the comment section, everybody's saying they were completely fine, they didn't feel anything coming on, but then as soon as they went out in this fog, whatever it is, they got a sore throat, they had to go to bed, they couldn't sleep, they were bummed up, they had migraines, they lost all their energy, and not only them, everyone in the household. There's mums reporting on it saying, oh, the kids are ill, we've got people in Kentucky, we've got people in Sweden, we've got people in Finland, all reporting the same thing. The fog is made them sick. And you know, it's scenarios like this that always have an adverse effect. Whatever they're doing in the skies, whatever they're spraying, whatever this fog is, they're obviously doing it for a reason, but it is going to wake people up. People have had enough. They're sick of being poked, they're sick of being prodded, they're sick of poison in the air and poison in the food, poison in the milk, poison in the minds. We're being pummeled in more ways we can imagine to demoralise us over a period of time, so when things get to a critical point and everyone's screaming out for a saviour, the government's going to be there, but they were the ones that created the problem in the first place.
That's how they do it. Problem, then solution. We have a completely different video here from, it looks like the U.S. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been extremely foggy throughout the U.S. Let me know about the fog in your area over the last few days in the comments below. But let's listen to what this gentleman has to say. Looks like he's in the U.S. The other person was in Europe, either Ireland, the U.K.
All right, so it's crazy foggy right now. But that's not the weird part, okay? Like, number one, it's weird because as it gets later in the day, fog should lighten and dissipate, and it's really not. But the weirdest part is the taste and smell. It smells like after you set off a bunch of fireworks, and like the taste of the air is, I mean, the only word I can think of is toxic. It's super weird, and so I'm going for my walk, and it's kind of worrying me a little bit. Let me know if you guys are experiencing something like that. That's weird. Yeah, I mean,
I've heard the entire globe is experiencing this fog. I have no idea what it could be. Again, guys, please leave any info about the fog in your area, about what you think may be causing it globally in the comments.
it smells not right. And I'm 41. I've been through fog. This is something different. I don't know if you guys are experiencing something like that.
Here's another one out of St. Petersburg, Florida. It's all the way up from North Dakota. Never seen anything like it. regularly around the Gulf we'll see fog, but it does let up throughout the day. It's regular early morning. Unbelievable. All right, I know this quote-unquote fog, rain, snow has been reported in the Northeast and Central Plains as well. This happens to be the UK, but they also say that they've seen reports across America, Canada, Germany, Holland, France, and more. Not a coincidence. You listen to this gentleman. He's like, it's not rain, it looks like fog, but it's synthetic, white, powdery residue. I don't know if it's all the same stuff, but we have a lot of stuff pouring down on us.
I know that looks like rain, but that is not rain. That is the light from the cataract. That is not rain. That is particles that are coming out.
This is fog.
I know that looks like rain, but that is not rain. That is the light from the cataract.
This fog is not water-based. It leaves a white, powdery residue. Here's someone else out of the UK. This was 11 p.m., London, UK. Never have seen fog like this ever in my life. I don't think it's water-based. I think it's chlorine-based. I think that that's what's going on here. Thousands of little bugs or flies, but it's not. Don't breathe that stuff in, guys. No telling. Here's another one from Louisiana, folks, and I believe this one was from the 24th, Christmas Eve. It's been going on for weeks. It won't stop down here, folks. This is December 30th today in Louisiana. No, this is Mississippi. Excuse me. 30 minutes, and they talk about how there's no moisture in the fog. They're calling it, they actually define fog. This is dry chemical fog. It says driving 30 plus minutes in fake fog. Very strange. I've been having to use my windshield wipers. All right, here we have something posted again today, talking about Los Angeles, Oklahoma, Missouri, Massachusetts, Wisconsin, Minnesota. Let's listen. Lots of videos.
Okay, I am not one for conspiracy theories, but I've been seeing these videos about fog. Okay, everyone gets fog, right? But they're saying how bizarre the fog is. And so I'm thinking to myself, and this is just maybe 10 minutes ago, I'm like, yeah, fog. Okay. I'm in Los Angeles area. We get some, fog once in a while, but I can't see anything past my property. What the fuck is this? What?
It's funny, it doesn't look that bad out in LA, although we can see that there's definitely fog there. Wow. All right, let's see what the next one looks like.
Guys, everybody's talking about this fog, and I was like, yeah, it's been kind of foggy, but I mean, it's been raining and shit, and I haven't really been thinking about it, But man, it's 12 o'clock, noon, in Oklahoma. And look at the fucking fog, man.
Oklahoma, obviously.
What
Crazy.
the fuck?
All right, here we go again. See.
There seems to be a situation developing. This is actually affecting multiple people across different states, starting from the East Coast. And what people are posting and coming forward and claiming is this weird fog that's blanketing them. But the weird thing about it is it looks different, it smells different, and it's actually hurting their nose, eyes, and throat. Take a look at these next 4 videos and let us know, are you or have you seen this mysterious fog?
All right, again, this is printed today, the 30th. This lady is very afraid.
Fog here in Minnesota and Wisconsin for the last 4 days has just been incredible. In fact, this is probably the least fog we've had.
It's 3:30 in the afternoon, and all of Minneapolis just has this deep, foggy, kind of post-apocalyptic hellscape feel to it.
Oh, that's not a song. And we'll finish it off with good old New York City, folks, and this time lapse of the fog coming on in. Very, very strange. Y'all let me know what y'all think is going on around the globe with this artificial fog. I have found some patents, several of them, to create artificial fog. Please share, subscribe, and always remember, anything's possible. Bizarro world.